Hi guys, welcome to our online tutorial section. In this video, we will show you how you can enable logs in your PostMaster and hence be rest assured to get all your statistical data at your fingertips. To start with, first you have to log in as an admin into your PostMaster. Once logged in, go to PostMaster, Core Settings, Configure, Log settings. So PostMaster Enterprise maintains a system log that contains the detailed information about every activity. These logs are useful for your debugging as well as for your troubleshooting. To start with, enable the log settings. Common master logging, wherein all your activities can be logged in a single file. So this is a useful debugging tool as it offers an overall perspective of the activities. You can choose normal or detail, or if you want to disable it, you can select the disable option. It is recommended that you keep the option alive, either select normal or detailed. Then in addition to this, PostMaster Enterprise also has the default login. So from the drop down, you select either normal or detailed depending on the level of details you want to get logged. This option is selected for undefined login requests, for example say TPM logs. Let's keep it normal. Then you have the log rotation. Now the log rotation provides a function wherein the log files are periodically reset based on the log rotation mode. That is, if you want to keep the log rotation day based or size based, you can choose the option from here. Let's keep it day based. Now what is the reason? Because the log files tend to get large and occupy a large amount of disk space due to the constant logging of the activities with your PostMaster. Hence they should either be periodically purged or log rotation should be used. Here the log files to be written, that is for how many days you want your logs to get saved for your PostMaster. The maximum is 30. As of now I have just put in as 4. If you want to have the max file size set for your log rotation, you have to select first size based, and here you can specify the size associated with the logs that has to be stored for your PostMaster. As of now, let's keep it as day based. Then you have the MIS log settings. Now the MIS log settings are the settings wherein all your MIS logging activities can be enabled or disabled by a single action. Once you have done all your settings perfectly, click on confirm and your log settings to start with is been saved successfully. Next you have logs, which helps you to maintain a variety of technical logs. For that we will move to logs and again select the logs option. So these logs contain the detailed technical information that is used for debugging, troubleshooting and in general ensuring that your PME core works properly. Here we have given the log name, that is system, FTP server, LDAP server and so on, and you have the logging status, like whether you want to have a detailed information regarding all these logs or all these services that you have in your PostMaster, or you want to just have a normal mode. Let's select detailed. So you can set all your required settings from here, and then you can click on confirm to save your settings. Let's have a look what is being shown for our FTP server. Click on view. Now here a small window opens up with all these details. So you have the date followed by the time and the information. So if you want to extract few information related to your FTP server, you can go ahead directly from the PostMaster webmail. In the drop down you get to see 4 other logs because we have kept the number of days for your log rotation as 4. So every logs of the specific day gets saved with the date of the log. So this becomes very much easier for you to find out specific events associated with your PostMaster in your logs. So let's select the second one. Now here we have also given you option, that is page 1 of 25. So for faster access the log file, you can navigate to the other blocks through the first, previous, next and the last option using these buttons. Now if you want to extract any of the data from here, yes, you can select, copy it, and you can paste it right in your Excel. So if you need to put any audit report for your superiors or for your own maintaining of the data that is being done through your PostMaster, you can get it rightly saved in your Excel page. Let's close this. You have the purge option, that is it will reset all your data. The logs for the service may become very huge sometime, so it will definitely consume a large amount of disk space, so it is recommended to clear the logs periodically. If you want to do that, click on the purge and then click on confirm, and all your settings related to PME core will get saved. Next you have the report section. So the report section shows the quick message report, which is for your intranet users to communicate with each other in almost real time. So this was the setting related to your PostMaster module. Next is your PME mail module log. Let's go over there. Now we are under PME mail. Now the PME mail maintains a variety of technical logs which are used for troubleshooting as well as debugging. So these are disabled by default, and you should enable it to have a clear view about the activities which are taking place for your PME mail module. Once you are here, you have to go to log reports, and then you have the statistics. So if you enable these statistics, it will start saving your statistical data related to your PME mail. If you want to disable it, click on confirm, and the statistic report will get disabled. Next you have the from date, that is since when your statistics report has been started for your PME mail. Then you have the view statistics zone. Now here under view mode, we have given you three provisions, that is system, user and all users. If you click on system followed by a specific period of time, selecting the month and the year, and if you click on view, the PME mail user statistics report gives you the number of mails that has been locally sent, followed by the total message size of the mails in bytes, both for your local sent, local received, remote sent and remote received. So if you want to have a look or the statistical data as to what is the overall system statistic data that you can directly get it or get it fetched from your PME mail user statistics report. Now the system here refers you to all the users who are there in your PostMaster. Next you have users. So if you want to extract data related to different users that you have here on PostMaster, let's select one user. So here user wide, it gives you all the data related to the number of mails that the person has sent, received, remotely sent and remotely received. So this becomes your this will definitely give you a plus point while you are making an auditing report related to your users. If you select all users, it will give you all the user statistical data along with your system data as well. So this is how you can configure your PME mail user statistics report depending on a specific period of time. Then you have the purge option, which will definitely reset the data of your stats in your PME mail. Next you have logs. Now under logs, we have given you all the related almost every possible logs which are related to your PostMaster affairs, and also kept the names of the logs very simple for your understanding. Now here you have the log name system, SMTP server, POP3 server and so on. and on your left hand side you have the logging stature, that is whether you want to have a normal detail, normal fetching of all the details related to the system log, or detailed. So you can choose it from here. Now all these settings we have done it for our PostMaster. And now if you want to have a look, you can just click on the view option, and the rest of the thing will be shown through the webmail access itself. So let's select any of our logs. Let's select SMTP server. So here it gives you the date followed by time and all other activities that is being associated with your SMTP server. Here also, if you want to copy any specific or search for any, you can do that as well. Great. Now if you want to copy from this point to, say, suppose this point, you just have to select copy from your keyboard and paste it in your Excel page so that you can have a view or save it for your work purpose. Great. Let's go back. Here also we'll get to see the logs that is being generated day wise, so you can choose and get your reports accordingly. So this was related to your PME log reports that you have. If you want to go ahead with other details like mail routing, queue manager, robo service, you can directly have a view right from your PostMaster webmail. Now here the size are being mentioned, like for that, like if you choose. So here you have got 4 days plus today's. So it will give you the total size in KB for this specific log. Next you have reports. Now the PME mail maintains reports for your incoming and outgoing emails. So these reports can be used to monitor your email usage of the users. So here we have kept the reports very simple, with very simple name for you to understand, and from your left hand side you can choose your settings, that is whether normal or in detailed mode. Let's select view. Now here we have given you the date, that and then followed by the time, that is when the message has passed through your PME mail. Then you have the sender and also the recipient, followed by the subject of the message and also the message size. So if a message has multiple recipients, then each recipient is logged on a separate line. Here also you can copy and paste into your Excel as per the specific reports that you want to get through your logs. Well, this brings us to the end of the log setting in our PostMaster. I hope the steps mentioned for configuring the basic log settings here will guide you to use the PostMaster more securely and effectively. And admin can surely get hold of every data right from the PostMaster webmail without having to dig into more internal files of PostMaster. For other PostMaster videos, stay tuned to our YouTube channel, or if you want quick action, just drop in a mail to support@qlc.in. Thank you.